I've been tasked with fixing up a couple of these whippersnippers, both Makitas. They both have a couple of issues, and I've got a list here. So whippersnipper number A is this one here. We've got no pull cord, spark plug, rubber loose, choke not working. And got whippersnipper number B. It says the clutch isn't working very well, and the gears ahead might not be working, and a possible petrol leak. So I'm going to dig in, have a look at what we got. Get the camera back. We'll get the camera bag out of the way, shall we? Alright, so I've filled up the fuel tank with fuel off camera, and just gonna give it a go. This is number B, because I think this will be the best one to get going, because choke not working on number A is not something I want to deal with. So here we go. Choke. Start. Okay. Put on the carburetor. Oh yeah, getting fuel now. I think she's lived a hard life. Oh, she popped. All right. Looks like the clutch doesn't want to disengage. Need to do some research on that. Now, I thought I just could pull apart the other one and see what's going on with it, but it turns out they're two different models, so I'm gonna have to pull this one apart, so see how I go. Pull the air cleaner off here. A couple of screws. That's a long one. So the carburetor comes off with that. Is that black to black? And throttle cable off. Don't want to take those fuel lines off, probably never ever get them back on. Adjustment knob, throttle there. What do you reckon? Eight? Nope. Good thing I've got 3 10mm spanners. I'll do that one. Looks like it might have been a good idea to take it off before I took the carburetor off. Oh, it's turning. Okay. May God have mercy on myself. I might put these bolts back in. So it's not flapping about in the breeze. That's upside down. Oh well. So, from my perusal of the internet, looks like the clutch might be in this section here. So undo those bolts. Let's see what we find inside. She's coming. All right. One Makita motor. Really clean off this bench. Camera so you can see. Take all these plastic covers off. Believe it or not, I'm not left-handed. I need a couple of these screws in. Ah! Really letting my glass of water. A slot. I think I'll go for that option. Usually get a bit more torque. And not strip the screws out. Might crack them with the screwdriver. Get the impact out because I don't have all day. I kind of do, but I like to be efficient. What else? Alright. That's a Huh. A little friend. Oops. Well, you can stay in there. So, I got magneto here, a flywheel, and if I take out a couple more screws, I might be able to see what's going on in there. Alright. Okay, that just went flying. We've got a little centrifugal clutch in there. And these little rubber bumpers going on there. So that's got to go like that. And I believe our little springs need to go here and here. Alright, hold please. Alright, so off camera I was able to get the clutch put back together. And so what happens is, as the motor spins, these little clutch plates, they expand with the centrifugal force, and the springs bring them back in and make contact with the spinny thing, which is connected to whatever implement you have on the other side, so like a string trimmer, whippersnipper. So if you look in here, see this is quite worn out, so I'm not having much hope for this, but we will see what happens when we put it back together. If I can find the rubber. Top back on. That way, I believe. The petrol cap might be leaking, so I'll see if I can scavenge the one off the other one. So hopefully that's the same. Missing a screw here. Wouldn't surprise me. Highly organised workbench here. Ah, found it. It was in the lawnmower wheel, you know. That's where you put it. Send it home. That was scary. Still turns. Alright. Let's put it back on the shaft. Make sure we're lined up. Tighten the clamp. Make sure he can see what I'm doing. It wouldn't be a very exciting video if it's just the back of my head. Or would it? Alright. Carburetor hooked up. Very awkward shape. Stuck in the wires. That seems secure. Yeah, scary. I'm sure this be perfectly adjusted once I'm done here. Just look for the shiny part. If you see the shiny part, you've gone too far. Okay. Turn. Yeah. See what you're doing. You turn that bit. That's backwards. Try it again. The little recess for the end of the throttle cable to go in. I did not see Mark. Get a throttle adjustment done. That'll be perfect. Alright, go this up this way. Let me see what I'm doing. It's supposed to be so angled. You really can't do it wrong because they got opposite connectors on them. So you have to be really trying to plug this in backwards. Hopefully that's a good connection. Yeah. Considering who the customer is. And pull the trigger and throttle operate. Amazing. Alright. Put the air cleaner on and that'll do. Alright, time for a test run. Camera's nearly out of battery, so it better be quick. So we'll actually prime the carburetor this time. You go to start. Choke. I would call that a success. Now, I'm not too experienced with whippersnippers that actually have a clutch in them, so I would say that's pretty good for a junk one that I assume they found on the side of the road. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching. I enjoyed making this. It'd be great if someone would actually leave a comment at some point. Alright, bye. Just so you know, I'm putting the cap from the other whippersnipper on this one, so that solves the fuel leak. Just a PS. Bye.